What is assault and battery under Oklahoma criminal law? I'm told Attorney James Wirth, that's the question that we have. What is assault and battery? Well, it is a criminal offense in the state of Oklahoma, as is elsewhere. It is a misdemeanor and has the possibility up to 90 days in jail if it's a simple assault and battery. If it's domestic, aggravated with great bodily injury, there's all kinds of other ones that may be more serious, could be felonies. But if it's a simple assault and battery, it is a misdemeanor with the potential for 90 days in jail. And the law requires that certain elements be proven for someone to be convicted. And we get this information from the jury instructions because that's the most succinct way to find it. And it says that no person may be convicted of assault and battery unless the state has proven beyond a reasonable doubt each element of the crime. These elements are: first, willful; second, unlawful; third, use of force or violence; fourth, upon another person. So it's using force or violence upon another person. That is what a battery is. So if you go up and punch somebody, some other harmful or offensive contact to somebody without their consent and without it being self-defense, then that is going to be a battery, assault and battery there. And some of these terms are defined more clearly. It talks about willful. It has to be willful. And that is defined in the statute. And it notes that willful here does not require any intent to violate the law or to injure another person. So you don't have to intend to injure them, just to have that contact or to acquire any advantage. So it's a pretty general intent crime here. If you're making contact with somebody without their consent and using force or violence to do so, then that's going to be an assault and battery. And similarly, the word force, as it's used here in the jury instructions, is further defined. And it can be pretty broad. It says, force is any touching of a person regardless of how slight may be sufficient to constitute force. Such touching may be brought about directly or indirectly by a defendant. So you can see that that's defined pretty broadly as far as the word force is used. So if you are being accused of assault and battery, some criminal offense, you're probably going to want to get more information that we just have in this video. You're going to want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially to receive legal advice specific to your circumstances. To get that scheduled with somebody at my office, you can go online to makelaweasy.com.